Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talking about the worth of the new Mermaid 2021 Halo and like how much it is worth and how much you should trade for it. So yeah, and like how much it is worth, its demand and stuff like that. So I know this might be really off topic, but like a few days ago I just won the dramatic eyelashes from the wheel, and I also won the lovely tiara like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys. I wanted to tell you that okay, so this screenshot is like from a few days ago. I met Wisix in game, and if you don't know who Wisix is, they're like the creators of one of the most popular like Halo tier charts in Royal High. And whenever like a new Halo comes, they're always the first one to make like a tier list on it, if you know what I mean. And I feel like their lists are really accurate and really good, and a lot of people follow it. I followed myself, so yeah, I met them. And when I met them, they were AFK at the time, but yeah, I still met them. Okay, so this is how the avatar looks like, and this is the general. Like the level is so high, 663, and they're kind of like an OG Royal High player. I mean, not really, but kind of they are. Okay, and please ignore the random chat in the background. And this is like the journal, you guys can see. Man, and they have like so many badges. Like, look, oh my god, so many badges. Moving on to the main thing, which is the Mermaid Halo 2021. So you guys can see that this screenshot is for like a couple of minutes ago. This is how many this is like the Mermaid 2021 badge, and how many people have won the Halo so far. Okay, so far 8,968 people have won the Halo, and yesterday. Okay guys, so this is the first Halo tier list I choose, and this one is kind of like an old one, but I chose this one because I wanted to compare the number of wins of like the Mermaid 2021 Halo to these. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have the Halloween Halo 2019, and the rarity is 8,855 players have won it. Okay, so you guys can see the demand rate. It says it's very low, and the current trading price is like 640 to 700. And I feel like the current trading price is kind of decreasing a little bit, because the demand is number one reason. The demand is like kind of really low, and I don't know why, but people don't like the way it looks. I don't know why, but I feel like it's really pretty looking and stuff like that. People just don't like it. So there's also like one more thing in the Royal High trading community, that sometimes people go for looks over values or like numbers, like how many people have it. So that's why. Another like Halo tier list, and this one also has the Halloween Halo 2018, and the demand of this one is lowest, and the value is, people say it's increasing, but actually it is decreasing. So if you have it, trade it as fast as you can. And you guys might be like, why am I comparing the Halloween Halo 2018 to the Mermaid Halo 2021? So the reason is because they have almost like the same number of wins. Guys, so here we have the Mermaid Halo 2021, and so this Halo has the closest number of wins to the Halloween Halo 2018. Actually, it also has like a few hundred more. So but the reason is this Halo, I'm going to tell you guys why this Halo is going to be worth more than that one, even if it has more wins. Okay, so the reason is because this Halo is like really beautiful, and the reason is looks like the design, the detailings, like everything. People love this Halo, like I love it as well. And also the Halloween Halo 2018 like demand is like the lowest, so this Halo is going to be worth a lot more than that. So according to my opinion, I think this Halo is worth around like 800 till 850k, like on average 825k, 810k or something like around this point, because of looks, and people love this Halo. But there's also one more thing, since this Halo is still in the fountain, and like as much as this Halo has like for much time this stays, more people are going to get it, and that's the reason why the value is going to decrease, because the more the people have it, like the more the people have the Halo, the more value it decreases. But for right now, I feel like it's worth around like this 850k point, like 850k, the max maybe, or like around this point. Okay. Also the Wisix also like created this Halo tier list, which included this Halo. So we're also guys. So one more thing I wanted to say is that the fact that you should give like 850k or less for the new Mermaid Halo 2021 is just my own opinion. I could be wrong. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that. And okay, so this is the Halo that Halo. I meant the tier list that Wisix made. I apologize if the screenshot is like really blurry, because yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, so the demand of the Mermaid Halo is high. The rate, it says the demand rate is like unstable, because you never know when it's gonna decrease, because like more people are gonna win it since it's in the fountain. So they say the value of this halo is 1.4 till 1.8 billion, and the average user gives is 1.6 million. And they also say that the demand of the Halloween 2018 halo is lowest, and the demand is kind of like stable, and the value is decreasing because for like the average you should give is 1.3 million, and like people are giving 1.25 till 1.35 million. And the fact that I said you should give 850k for the new halo is because it's kind of like my personal opinion, to be honest. So yeah. Also they also did one more thing. They like separated the columns, like the low tier, the mid tier, the high tier. So any halo that's like below 1.5 million is a low tier. You guys can see. Okay, so the low tiers had the Mermaid Halo 2020, the Winter 2018, the Spring 2020, the Winter 2020, the Lucky Halo 2019, and the Spring Halo 2021. And the mid tier, any halo like above 1.5 million is like a mid tier, and mid tiers go for 1.5 million till 4.25 million. So the mid tiers are the Corrupt Halo, the Valentine's 2019. I mean 2019. Sorry, I said it twice. The Lucky 2020, the Mermaid 21 is like a mid tier. The Halloween 2020 is like what do you call it? Mid tier. The Lucky 2021 is like also a mid tier, and the Halloween 2018 is also like a mid tier. And the high tier halos are, I mean the expensive ones are the Val 2020, the Light 20, I mean the Light Halo, one of the first halos in the game, the OG Mermaid, the Easter Halo, and like oh my god, the Easter Halo, like demand is like going up so fast. I don't know why people like it so much, but it's going like really fast. So that's why it's a high tier. It used to be like a mid tier, but now it's a high tier. Okay. So I have one more Halo tier chart. So this one says that the Valentine's Halo 2019 is a mid tier, and I feel like they're wrong right there, because you can still see that the number of wins, and we can look at the low tiers. Like I feel like this Valentine's Halo 2019 is supposed to be a low tier, but the reason why it's on like the mid tier section is because of looks. I don't know why people like it so much. I am not the biggest fan of that Halo, but yeah, this is a low tier in video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and if this video helped you in any way, so please consider subscribing, and I'll